everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Keypay employee accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in keypay.yourpayroll.com.au and press enter. Keypay is an all-in-one payroll and workforce management tool for payroll managers and outsource providers. To log into your employee account, go ahead and enter your email address inside the login tab. Once you do that, on the next field, enter your correct password. If you've forgotten your password, you can retrieve your password by clicking on Forgot My Password link and following the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details, click on the login button in order to get access to your employee account for Keypay. Once you access your account, you can easily manage your account online, manage your time and attendance, leave and expense management, and much more. That is how you can easily log into your Keypay employee account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.